Welcome to Seed and Faith. Today we are going to learn a life lesson from Grape Vine. We all like grapes. It is a famous fruit around the world. Do you know one of the most incredible natures of grapevine? It grows like a normal plant for a particular height with trunk and roots underground and trunk and shoot above the ground. After that, it grows like a climber which climbs on the supporting surface. The grapefruit is grown in the vine. The nutrition for the vine is received from the roots to bear fruit at the right season. As strong the roots and trunks were, the vine and the fruit is healthier. In our life, we need good nutrition from the roots and the trunk called our parents, our elders, our teacher. Younger generation who is feeble needs some nutrition from the people who play the major role like the roots of the grapevine. If the grapevine says, I detach myself from the trunk, the loss is for the vine shoots. It will be dried up and thrown out into waste. Nowadays, in this technological world, the younger generation feels that they know everything in this world and they want to detach themselves from the main source as they depend on the internet for their growth and knowledge. Surfing the net and collecting information from different media is not wrong. But ignoring the foundational principles which we can learn or receive only from certain people like our parents, teachers and the elders from the environment which we are living is important. Grapevine can receive the nutrition from the trunk to which it is attached in its own environment. The grapefruit is healthier and tastier based on the trunk to which it's attached to. We need the main source of nutrition for successful living from the trunk to which we are attached to. Internet and technology is like the weather. When the weather is favorable for the grapevine, it grows well. When it's windy or too cold, it cannot bear good fruits. Likewise, when technology or the internet is used in the right way, it will help us. When we are out of control and using the technology, it becomes like a stormy weather which spoil our growth as the storms spoil the grapevine. So never ignore the trunk, that is your parents, teachers and the elders, to which you are attached to. Be grateful and thankful for the fruit which you bear in your life because of them. Likewise, the roots and the trunk should never spoil the vine, because the fruit is grown in the vine. Be happy for the fruit and provide enough nutrition for the vines to bear more fruit. In our working environment or in our family, we could see people who support others to grow. But when they grow in their life and be successful, people who train them or help them become jealous or envy about their growth. This kind of jealous is unfair. Both the plant and the vine are important. Each of them cannot boast against each other or detach from each other. So my dear friends, learn a lesson from the grapevine. It absorbs enough nutrition from the soil to send it to all the shoots to bear flowers and fruits. You need to share your knowledge, wisdom and experiences with your sons, daughters, students, mentees, trainees and to your colleagues to live a fruitful life. Finally, I would like to suggest that make sure people who play the role of the roots and the trunk should always be healthy with good nutrition like truth, honesty, integrity, faithfulness, etc. So that the vine which depends on the nutrition from the trunk will always stay healthy and bear its fruit in the right season. Thank you.